What's going on, guys? My name is Bradshaw, and today I want to share with you my favorite tire lever combo set for my KTM adventure motorcycles and KTM dirt bikes. This here is a phenomenal set. Now this thing weighs in at just 7 ounces, whereas these tools combined together, sitting on the scale, if we're going to use a traditional set of tire irons, Enduro style, so smaller and lighter, quote unquote, and then the sockets and wrenches that you would need in order to create this kit, you're looking at like 1.5 pounds. So you're looking at more than a pound difference in weight by going this route right here. Again, this is a tire lever combo set. So you get 2 tire spoons, which is awesome. And I usually combo this with the MotionPro BeadPro. That's going to be a bead breaker combo. So that gives me 4 tire irons in my kit. Here are my tire irons. So this kit right now is a little bit abbreviated. I loaned out my KTM specific tire irons that have the proper size axle wrenches on both sides and then a tire spoon on the other side. Those are amazing. These here are my MotionPro BeadPros. This allows me to break beads on the trail. Super convenient. You'll love these when you see them in action. But anyway, I typically carry 4 tire irons with me, the 2 KTM specific ones, which I've replaced with these standard MotionPro tire irons for the time being, and then these 2 here, which are the BeadPros. Typically, you only need 3 irons, but I always carry 4 with me, just in case. I really like that setup. Anyway, so inside this box right here, you're gonna end up with 2 tire irons, and then on the opposite side, you're gonna have wrenches. This side here is a 10 millimeter and a 13 millimeter. So this is gonna be able to remove not only your pinch bolts or loosen your pinch bolts, but it'll also be able to loosen and remove your valve stem screw, or valve stem nut, I should say. On this side here, this thing is awesome. So 32 millimeters for all the big adventure bikes and dirt bikes. You then have a 27 millimeter and a 17 millimeter adapter that slides in here. Now there's a rubber O-ring that keeps this thing from falling out. Super handy. And then again, this is a 17 millimeter on this side. This is a 27 millimeter on this side and 32 millimeters in the center. Super awesome. Now let's take these tools out onto the sales floor and I'll show you how they work in real life on real adventure and dirt motorcycles from KTM. Let's get to it. So taking a look at this KTM 890 Adventure as our test vehicle here. Let's go ahead and bring the camera down. We have a 32 millimeter rear axle nut. This guy's gonna fit perfectly. Now up front, it should be a 27. Let's go take a look. 32 as well. Moving on over to this 25 SX, let's take a look and see what we have going on over here. Well, that thing's teeny. Right here, prime example for pinch bolts. They're a little 10 millimeter. We're then gonna take our adapter, slide it into our 32 millimeter, and that's gonna allow us to loosen this 17 millimeter nut up here on the front. Now, moving back to the back, we should have a 27 millimeter back here. Nope, 32 as well. But the 350 EXCF over here does take the 27. Getting back here on the back, we have the 27 millimeter adapter, sliding over the top, and we are good to go. Now this 350 has the same basic front end setup that we saw over there on the 125. We're gonna use this guy for your pinch bolts. And we're gonna use this one here, 17 millimeter adapter for the front axle. Done. And then we're gonna use the 13 millimeter to slide on over valve stem nut. And there you have it, an awesome tool by KTM that allows you to minimize the weight that you're carrying with you in your trailside repair pack. Again, we have 10 and 13 millimeters here on one iron. On this other iron, we've got a 17, a 27, and a 32. Super awesome piece from KTM. Link to this product is in the description below, so go take a look, take a click, and make a purchase. I'm Bradshaw, Motor City. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, take care and ride safe out there.